With gold hitting an all-time high, many investors are asking for some financial guidance in case gold hits $5,000 or $10,000 an ounce. What if silver surpasses 50 and let's say it reaches 3 digits, it goes past 100? Sure, that might be good for investors, but what does that mean on a larger scale? And what does that mean for the country? What does that mean for the world? A year ago, it would have been easy to answer. I could have said that gold hitting $10,000 an ounce means the entire country is in hyperinflation. I could have easily predicted that the countries will exercise some form of currency control. But things change so radically and so fast, the future is almost unpredictable. And there's so many scenarios, some of which feels more like it's a plot in a sci-fi movie instead of an actual social and economic analysis. And then there's blockchain. Development of blockchain and the continuous crash of economies are motivating many to decentralize money. 10 years from now, banks may actually be optional. Technologies might really push oil to oblivion, and the sun will really be the primary source of energy. Physical retail stores might be converted to warehouses to allow faster home deliveries of goods when people's retail default becomes online. In-person classes may be optional, which will make research instead of interaction the center of education. There's so many speculations out there, but that's all it is. It's speculation. And if anyone says they know exactly what will happen, they're either pretending or they're lying. We are in the midst of uncharted waters. Every forecast is actually just a best guess scenario. So it's almost useless to worry about it. The only thing you can do is future-proof your investments to ensure that you won't lose the value of what you have when the actual future arrives. Number 1, invest in metals. Central banks are on a gold buying spree. Countries are investing on gold knowing it is a stable, unprincipled, and rare asset. And more importantly, the world will never stop needing gold, unlike specific currencies. Number 2, invest in crypto. The dollar is crashing, we know that. The need to convert your investment into a currency that will not just keep its value, but also be profitable. Although the yuan is proving to be a close contender to the dollar as the world's reserve currency, it will still take decades and a whole lot of global policy changes for the yuan to displace the dollar. I believe cryptos will be the international currency, and buying early will guarantee that you maximize any possible gains. Number 3, re-examine your market investment. Risk, it's part of any investment. And we're not saying you should avoid all risks altogether, but you should be more cautious, especially right now. Take into consideration that consumer needs are changing. Buying processes are changing. And re-examine your risk tolerance. Your main concern right now should be security, so cut down on any risks that are unnecessary. Losing what you can possibly gain is way better than losing what you already have. Are you just getting into metals and you want to learn more? Check out our gold and silver investment guide. It has all the information you need, all the questions answered, and a really good read for someone just starting out. If you want to learn about investing in gold and silver, click the link below.